back inside. I'm doing something. Fine. Don't go in the road.
Okay. Stay here.
Yeah. Harley. Go get Harley.
Okay.
Make sure she's not in the road.
Okay. She's not on the road.
Okay.
You just have to say it loud.
Why?
If Harley, you say it a little bit, Harley can't hear you.
Okay. Fierce. Calm down. I don't know what could be down there. You wanna go in that hole?
No, you
Go. No. I wonder what's down there.
Nothing's there.
Maybe there's a mummy.
No?
You
No.
want to see a mummy?
Yes.
Maybe you should go down there.
No, I don't want to go down there.
Okay.
Mummies don't live on the ground.
Well, they live in pyramids. That's kind of underground. I don't know. I don't really care about mummies. Oh, there's a bunch of dead bees over here.
Oh my god. Where?
Move.
How did the dead bees die?
Because it's almost winter time. Bees.
So it's winter time?
Almost. I didn't say it was, but almost. Oh, I think a spider web just flew in my face.
I think a lot of bees just flew in my hair.
Bees don't, no. Maybe there's a mummy in there.
No? Mommy's just always...
Ew. Gross.
Oh, gross.
Ew.
Nothing's in there.
Water dropped on the camera.
There's no mummies in there.
Well, maybe there could be. You never know.
Yeah.
Oh, Harley, get out of there.
No.
Come here, dog.
Ah.
Oh, shoot. God, come on. Harley,
Harley!
go the other way.
Harley! Go to the other way.
Gross. Come on, Harley. Harley. Oh my gosh. I think it's time to end this video here.
Okay.
Have a great day. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.